So if you don't know already, you might be wondering how these influencers send you an automated message on Instagram when their followers comment on their posts. So here's how to do it. I'm gonna show you a real quick tutorial. So step number one is you go to this website, manychat.com, and you click on get started. This is for people who don't know how to do it. If you know, then that's good for you. But a lot of people ask me how to do this, so I'm gonna show you here in this video. So step number one is to click on get started and you create your account. Add your Instagram account, sign up. We're gonna continue with Google. All right, great. So you created your account. Go ahead and click on automation. Set up a new automation. Then you go down and you choose this one, turn Reels into sales. It's a pro feature. You click on setup template. You'll get this. Delete all of this and only keep the first two. Okay. So you want to delete everything and keep only the first two. Okay. So now we're going to add the trigger. Choose all posts or reels if you want a specific post, but I do all posts or reels. Click on continue and choose a trigger word. In this example, I'm going to choose prompt because I'm going to send the ChatGPT prompt. And then you click continue. And you can add random multiple replies for people who comment. So you can comment back and you tell them check your DMs for the info. I'm going to choose something simple like, hey, thanks for your comment. Check inbox for info. Let's choose another emoji. My favorite surfer emoji. Call me emoji. Yep, this one. Cool, 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 cool. And let's add some football. Cool. Click on save. And the next step is to set up your message. You click here, and then we're gonna send the message. We're gonna put, for example, hey team, here are the resource you requested, prompt number one, prompt number two, and then hope you enjoy the resource. By the way, would it be cool if I ask you 4 quick questions to see how I can help you, how I can offer more personalized help? Okay, and then that's it. So here's the whole funnel. First of all, they comment. First of all, you create a reel. You give value to your marketplace, your target audience, and then at the end of the reel, you say comment the word recipe, for example, if you're a fitness coach, to send them a recipe book, and then they comment, and then the system gets triggered, so you send them directly the resource. In this example, for example, I say, hey team, here's the resource you requested, prompt number one, prompt number two, and then you say, hope you enjoy the resource. By the way, is it cool if I ask you 4 quick questions to see how I can offer more personalized help? They say, absolutely safe. Make sure you change the name, of course, and then you send them the first message to qualify them to see if you're both a good fit to work together. Awesome. What's your goal for the next 90 to 120 days? Then after you do this, click on set live, and then you go test it for yourself to make sure you don't have any surprises, right? So there we go. They click absolutely safe. Awesome. What's your goal for the next 900 to 120 days? Boom. So there you have it, guys. Just quick tutorial to show you how to set Manychat up. It's very simple. That's how influencers do it. You might be wondering how they're getting the automated messages when their followers comment on their post. Now you know. It's one of the powerful ways to market your service and products because you're giving something valuable for free, and then people, they can trust you, and then basically asking them a few questions to know where they are, where they want to be, and then you can either sell them on the call or through the DM, what I call the CDVD system, call, DM, or video sales letters, or send them a document. Anyway, this is the video. I wanted to make it short and quick so you can understand how you can set this up on Manychat. If you want my team to set this up for you, you can contact me. Also, if you want to scale or grow your business, you want a customized, more tailored plan for you personally, then contact me on IG or Facebook, or click on the link in the description. I'm gonna ask a few questions to know where you are, where you want to be, and what obstacles are getting in your way, so we can together come up with a customized action plan for you to help you reach your goals. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Merci. Have a beautiful, awesome day.